Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Buying Bitcoin with Revolut. This tutorial will walk you through the process of purchasing Bitcoin using the Revolut app. To get started, you will need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device and create an account. First, you need to verify your identity by providing some personal details and a valid government-issued ID. This is a mandatory step to ensure the security and compliance of your account. Once your account is verified, you can proceed to add a payment method such as a bank card or transfer funds from your bank account. To buy Bitcoin, navigate to the cryptocurrency section in the Revolut app and select Bitcoin. You will then be able to view the current exchange rate and enter the amount you want to purchase. You can choose to buy Bitcoin using a variety of currencies including US dollars, euros, and pounds. Before making a purchase, it is essential to understand the fees associated with buying Bitcoin on Revolut. The fees include a small commission on the transaction amount and any applicable exchange rate fees. You can view the fees in the app before confirming your purchase. Once you have confirmed your purchase, the Bitcoin will be added to your Revolut wallet. You can then view your Bitcoin balance and transaction history in the app. It is also possible to transfer your Bitcoin to an external wallet or use it to make purchases with merchants that accept Bitcoin. It is crucial to remember that buying Bitcoin is a high-risk investment and the value of your Bitcoin can fluctuate rapidly. It is essential to do your research and set a budget before making a purchase. Additionally, you should only invest what you can afford to lose. In conclusion, buying Bitcoin with Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and understanding the associated fees and risks, you can start investing in Bitcoin today. Remember to always prioritize security and compliance and to never invest more than you can afford to lose.